Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy 300JayHawk, man, back with another video, man. In today's video, man, as y'all can see, I did order the white side markers. You know what I'm saying? With the other box right here. It's the rear, I think rear back, something like that. Yeah. They both said it, I don't know. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be installing these, man. I'm gonna do it myself, man. You know me and my nigga Quay, feel me? So I'm gonna install these, man. But yeah, man, we also got the tool. Let me show y'all the toolbox right here. The tools we gonna use right here, man. Damn, I don't even know how to open that bit, but yeah. But I'm gonna pick back up the camera, man, when we get started, man. Probably gonna have to. I think we're gonna have to take out the front bumper, and we're gonna take out the back bumper. All right, we back with it, man. So as y'all can see, we gotta take some of these clips off. Majority of them are already off. There's one right here. We gotta go ahead and get this hoe off. And grab that hoe out of there. What you do with the other clips? That right there. All right, bet. So it's just one more? Yeah, I think that's all of them. So as y'all can see, we got all the clips off on this side. I'm finna go to the other side. Oh yeah, and as y'all can see, before I had the CHRYSLER little symbol right there, I took that off. So it's D-badged, and I had the 300s right there. I took all that off. So y'all let me know how it look in the comments, man. I feel like it look way better. But yeah, man, we finna get to this other side, man, and take these off too. As y'all can see, we got one right here, and one right here. And I'm doing this with one hand, so yeah, don't get on my ass in the comments and shit. Damn. I'm finna pick y'all back up. I need 2 hands, I ain't gonna lie. All right, bet, as y'all can see, man, we back with it, man. As y'all can see, we took all the pins off. We took a screw right here that was off, and we pulled the back bumper so we can see what we doing. It's the same thing on this side as well. And we're gonna start off with the back, and I used the 10mm to get the screw that was at the top. This screw right there, took it off. So yeah, we're gonna start on the back, and then we're gonna work our way to the front. But yeah, man, I'm gonna pick y'all back up, man, once we, you know what I'm saying, make progress, man. Ooh, look at the hood, though. Y'all let me know y'all fuck with the hood in the comments, man. Y'all let me know, man. All right, bet, as y'all can see, man, it's the old side markers right here. You know, so you got to get under there, flick it up, just pull it off just like that. And bring it up. As y'all can see, I didn't record this one, but yeah, we did the same thing on this side as well. You just gonna wanna, as y'all can see, grab under, hold it up, and then just pull it back, and it's gonna snap right off. But yeah, man. But yeah, we finna go ahead and take these off. I'm gonna pick y'all back up, and we finna put the new ones on. It's 2 screws for the side markers. We already got one of them off, but it's still one at the bottom. One of these, you wanna get this in there, just like so. Other way. Just unscrew. Just like that. Yo, we got the old side marker right here, man. Yeah. You wanna do the same thing? Go to the other side. And do the same thing. Just like so. Real simple. It's probably one of the easiest mods you can really do. Just like so. This one's still stuck in there, so you just push it out like that. You don't need this shit anyways. Bullshit. But yeah, man. Pick y'all back up. I keep picking y'all back up because, you know what I'm saying, we still trying to figure out, like, you know what I'm saying, how we doing. We learning as we go, basically. So, yeah, we took them off. So, got the new side markers over there. We finna get ready to see how we gonna put them on. Then I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Alright, bet, as y'all can see, man, we back with it, man. We got them put in right now. We ain't got to screw it in, but we just got to put it in. We got the screw, twist it in and lock it in. Same thing on this side as well. Plugged in on both sides, but yeah, we finna go ahead and screw them in for y'all, show y'all how to do it. I'm gonna pull it back. Hey, no diddy, man. I'm grabbing this hoe like this. No diddy, though, man. Don't get on my ass in the comments with that shit. All right. Damn, bro. You hoe move out the way. Make sure it's tight. And it's still kind of loose a little bit.
Turn that this one. You have to grip that hole.
I'm gonna pause it. Alright, bet, as y'all can see, got it on there. So yeah, don't forget to grab the cord and make sure y'all plug it in, because you know if you don't plug it in, it's not gonna work. Do the same thing on this side. Like that, man. Y'all a better look. I'm probably take this off when we get done, plug it back, put everything back together. I'm gonna pick y'all back up once we got everything back on, and then we're gonna start off, or we're gonna start on the front. And we're gonna show y'all the same process over again. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Why am I making no noise? All right, as y'all can see, we're putting the screw back on right now, using the 10 millimeter. Then after we're gonna put the screw on both sides, we're gonna put the plugs back in, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? See, you're gonna know when it's tight. You ain't gonna be able to twist it no more. All right, that one tight. All right, let's move to the other side. All right, we're doing the same thing to the other side using 10 millimeter. Just tighten it. You screw at the top so the back bumper won't go anywhere. All right, as y'all can see, it's tight. Now all we gotta do is put the little clips back in on the sides, and then yeah, we finish with the back and we're gonna move on to the front. All right, as y'all can see, now we gotta put the pins back in. One in. Two. Now we got three. So we'll move nowhere. All right, now go to the other side. The same process. One. It's like plug and play, real simple. Nothing too crazy. All right, just like that. And I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Open the car. As y'all can see, oh shit, stepped on the last one. As y'all can see, man, got them on right now. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, it don't look that good right now. It look good, but it's daytime right now. I'm gonna show y'all at nighttime as well and show y'all the difference. But yeah, we finna get ready to start on the front side. Gotta do the same process. Really all you need is a 10 millimeter and a flathead. And that's all you need. And yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we take the bumper off on the front side. All right, bet. As y'all can see, man, we back with it, man. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't get to record for y'all. This process was a little bit longer, I ain't gonna lie. Had to take, it's a little bit more bolts in the front, on the front bumper. So we had to get under there. You know, obviously take the same bolts off as the back bumper. Then it's a bolt under here we gotta take off. So we end up taking that off. We had to squeeze our hand. We had to, you know what I'm saying, make it work. You know what I'm saying? But we end up getting it off. Same thing with the other side. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, got all the screws. Got the old ones right here. Don't need that shit. I'm gonna go get that. But yeah, we don't need them. So yeah, we finna put the new ones back in. And yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we got them back in. And yeah. All right, as y'all can see, we screwing it back in. Got the side markers in. Y'all can see on this side so y'all can see. I have to screw it in, one at the bottom, one at the top, one at the bottom, my fault. Then we got it back in. Now we're gonna go to the other side. Do the same process. Well, we had already put the bottom ones in because it was a little difficult, so we had to do it off camera. But we still doing the top ones. All right, as y'all can see, got it plugged in. Now we're finna put the bumper back in. Then we still gotta put this little pin. Gotta put a pin at the bottom. And then we gotta put a screw right there, if y'all can see, right there. And then yeah, we'll be good, man. So we're gonna go ahead and get that set up for y'all. So all we gotta do is just screw it in for y'all. And then I'm gonna pick y'all back up, man. All right, as y'all can see, got to show y'all, we gotta plug the pin in so you know it can work. All right. Simple, just pop it in. Let's move to the other side, plug that side in too. My fault, you good. Gotta plug it in at the bottom. As y'all can see, it's different. These pins were different. You had to unplug it from the bottom. And then on the back ones, you have to unplug it from the top. So, yeah, we got them plugged in. So now all we got to do is just put the bumper back on. And then we're going to put the pins back in like I told y'all. Put the screw back in. And then that'll be all. And then we'll have the side markers on. I'm going to show y'all what it look like in the daytime. Then I'm going to give y'all a different version when it's in the nighttime. But look how the car sit, though, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Let me know if y'all fuck with the car. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Share the video, man. All right, we back with y'all. As y'all can see, man, we got the front was put on. Got them put on. Show y'all the back one more time. Yeah, man. So all we gotta do now is just put the bumper back on. We gotta just put the pins back on and throw the screws back in. Then after that, you good to go, man. So we got them on, got the pin on. Now we just gotta throw these pins back in right here, just like we had to do in the back. The last one. Oh, you gotta throw the pin in on the inside. My fault, y'all. Push that back in just like that. Now we gotta throw these back in, the same ones we had to do in the back. There's 3 simple ones, plug and play. Nothing too crazy. Same thing on this side. And then after that, be done, man. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up, give y'all a little warm start. And I'm gonna take the plastic off and let y'all see what it look like, man. As y'all can see, man, got all the side markers put on. Yeah, man, it wasn't really that hard. It probably took about 30 minutes to an hour to do. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, man, make sure y'all hit the like button, man. Subscribe, share, comment, all that, man. All that good stuff. All right, what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy 300s, man. Earlier, man, we got the side markers. I got my boy Greenhouse with me, man. My nigga Greenhouse. I'm saying we got the side markers on. You know what I'm saying? We flicking it up right now. Making it a little real. Yeah, man, I really just wanted to show y'all the wheels, man. Look, see how we coming, man. Team Black, man. We got the Scat. We got the 300, Hemi, S. Yeah, man.
Go get 'em, ballin' on these broke niggas. Put bigs on, sports center.